morning, and let's take a look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade. Well, yet again, a busy day on the earnings calendar. You've got SBI, you've also got MotoCorp, NTPC. That's among the Nifty 50 companies that will be declaring their quarterly numbers. The rest include Chambal Fertilizers, Container Corp, Zee Entertainment, Avanti Feeds, Trent, as well as HPCL. Here's what we're expecting then when it comes to SBI. You're expecting the PRAT to come in at 6,400 crores versus 5,583 crore rupees. The NII is seen at 28,615 crore rupees versus 27,779 crores. The loan book is likely to pick up by about 3% sequentially. They're building in steady NII as well as net interest income, net interest margins, pardon me. The NIMs are seen at about 3.04%. The segmental stress level is going to be key, and the management commentary around the restructuring pool, that is going to be very closely watched out for by the street. The asset quality, well, that's expected to cool off a tad in the quarter, and remember, you've seen the stock price as well of SBI that's seen quite a run up of late. Moto revenues are seen up 35% at 9,480 crores. Margins are seen at 12.9%. Revenue growth is likely to be driven by a 20% rise in the volumes. PAT is seen at 900 crores, up about 2% sequentially, and 80 basis points negative impact of commodity cost is seen on the margins. Bharti Airtel came out with its quarterly numbers just yesterday, during market hours actually. We're just dissecting it. You've got revenues at 26,517 crore rupees. PAT came in at 1350 crores versus a loss last quarter of 33 crores. EBITDA at 12,178 crore rupees with margins at 45.9%. You have Morgan Stanley, which maintains an overweight rating on Bharti Airtel, saying that it's a target price at about 680. The 4G additions as well as the ARPU improvement has been strong. In Q3, it's been a robust subscriber addition as well. Apollo Tyres, PAT at 443 crores versus 173 crores, impressive. Margins at a healthy 19.2%, EBITDA at 989 crores. Macquarie has maintained an outperform with a target at 195, saying it's been strong Q3 performance, margins have improved, and European EBITDA has grown despite lower revenues. Take a look at some of the other companies then. You've got Ujjivan Small Finance, which also came out with its numbers rather disappointing with a loss of 278 crore rupees versus a PAT of 89 crores. You've got the NII at 432 crore rupees. And the asset quality has improved, albeit very marginally. GNPA is at 0.96%. And HAL, do remember, it was in the works. The government formally sealed that 48,000 crore rupee deal to procure 83 Tejas light combat aircrafts from Hindustan Aeronautics, and the contract was handed over by the Director General of the Ministry of Defence, and it is definitely coming in as a feather in the company's cap.